Whatever.
Do you actually think it was gonna be that easy? Did you? I know every single move you make. Keep an eye on your phone. Let the game re-begin.
Sometimes, in order to continue, you have to recharge your batteries.
Please stay right by my side. You got me wild, right?
Your next clue will be in a Nike box. You have 15 minutes. Hurry up.
And now we'd like to invite you to Rose 27
My name is Jigsaw. I'm sick of people who don't appreciate their blessings. And that's why I did this video for you. I don't want that to be you. Do you remember who got your first pair of Jordans? How happy you were? Do you want to know why I know this? Do you want to know how I know this?
Simple, because I'm you from the future. You're probably looking at this video all crazy and you don't even know what's going on. But I wanted to remind you of a couple of things that are going on in your world right now that are just too much. It's full of hype, arrogance, materialism, and at the end of the day, man, that's not cool. As corny as that sounds. Do you remember who got your first pair of Jordans? How happy you were? Do you remember who got them for you? It was your grandfather, man. He's the one that started this whole sneaker fashion love for you. He basically passed away, and you always remember him because of those same exact reasons. It doesn't matter how many hype things you get, it doesn't matter how big your sneaker collection is, it's actually about being humble and remembering those very first moments of you getting something and appreciating that for the rest of your life. At the end of the day, stay true to yourself, be humble, be blessed,